rushing through this broken vessel. You're the calm within the current, hope rising through the storm. You'll never leave me, it doesn't matter what I'm facing.
From next week, we'll no longer be streaming our Sunday morning live service on the Church Online platform, but you can still tune in for these services on our Facebook page and on our YouTube channel. So make sure you join us for our Sunday morning services live on Facebook and YouTube at Excel Church UK.
I'm holding on to you. I'm holding on to you. Endless mercy. You had every right to leave me. All my sin had left me stranded.
Bookings are open for Strength Will Rise. It's happening June 22 and the prices are frozen. Yes, they've been frozen for you so that you get a bit of a discount when you book in. So guys, bookings are open, which means that you can just go and grab a form from the foyer or download one online, and you can just fill that in and get it back to us with your deposit. So make sure you do this as soon as possible to avoid disappointment. And guys, it's going to be an amazing weekend away. It's our annual church weekend away, and it's going to be in person. It's been on hold because of COVID, but we're going to get back together in person. So make sure you book in and join us there. So this year's Devoted Conference is supporting the charity The Homeless Period in Wolverhampton. So if you have any donations you can supply of sanitary towels, soap, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, wipes, any toiletries at all, then be sure to bring them in and donate them to the box in the foyer.
You're holding on to me, and I'm holding on to you.
That's all for XL News this week, but remember, on Wednesday you can join us for our next Leadership Development Night where Pastor Deck will be speaking, and that's happening 7:30. It is a different link to our usual prayer and Bible study one, so if you want to join us for this Leadership Development Night, then you can just get in contact to get the new Zoom link and the details. So guys, that's all for XL News. Have a great week.